Okay, boom. It's your boy Issy from Crep Refresh. Outside the shop today. Show them where we're at. King's Looks Italia. And today we're doing up Check Ur Crep. And today we're gonna be talking to random people to see where they buy their fit, where did they buy their shoes, how much they generally spend. And yeah, let's get into it. There. I'll show them everything. Got all the Easy stock over here. Got a couple dunks. King's place to be. You know, like that. Any high-end garms, this is the place to be, man.